These are the top 5 most deadliest siren sounds in the world, and the last one is so deadly it can make you pee in your pants. Comment which one you think is the most deadly. But first, you have incredible luck tomorrow if you like and subscribe to my channel until the video ends. First is EOWS612. If you hear this sound, run away quickly. It's a sign that strong tornado is coming. Next is diaphone. Bro, if you ever hear this, be careful, because it's a sign that a heavy fog is coming. Next is air raid siren. Bro, this is so scary. If I ever hear this in real life, I would literally pee in my pants. Next is zero drone. Bro, this sound is actually so terrifying. Next is Hurricane 130. Comment down below, which siren sound do you think is the scariest?